Revelations 21 verse 3. The plan of God to dwell with men was an eternal plan. It's an eternal plan. The Bible says in Revelations 21 3, and I heard a loud voice from heaven saying, behold, the tabernacle of God is with man. And he will dwell with them. This is the plan from the beginning. They shall be his people. God himself will be with them and be their God. Did you notice that I didn't say the tabernacle of God is with Israel? The eternal plan of God is to dwell among men. There are Muslims watching now that they are receiving this good news with an open heart because they know you are part of the prophecy. You are part of the reasons why we came. The tabernacle of God is with men. It's a mystery. God is a mystery, but he wants you to discover it. Lift your hands and thank him. Your house now becomes a tabernacle for the Lord. By tomorrow, you will